received this from Amazon. Bloom greens and superfoods, digestion, bloating, and immunity. Mango flavor, 30 servings, so 30 servings, excuse me, Freudian slip. I guess you have it once a day, lasts you a month. 1 scoop, and use a high-powered mixer and whisk well until greens are well blended. Soy-free, plant-based, non-GMO. Tonight's gonna be the first time I'll have it for dessert in my smoothie for dessert. Honey, do you wanna have a smoothie with me for dessert?
Sure.
Okay. Jocko Greens is really delicious. I like it personally, and I like the really green flavor where it tastes like the color green. If you've ever tried them, you know what I mean. It tastes very strong. I don't like chocolate protein shakes. Offering them, I won't say no. You're going to need 1 cup of berries or a berry mixture. It could be fresh or frozen. Frozen makes it more like ice cream, 2 cups of milk or milk replacement of your liking, and 1 scoop of your Bloom Super Greens. I have the mango flavor. These super greens will be linked below. It takes less than 20 seconds to blend it, especially with the more liquid you have. We have a winner! What do you think?
Tastes good, it's very fresh. Tastes like mango.
Sour, sweet, tart.
Very sweet.
Give this a like so more people can have easy 5-minute recipes that are also healthy. Subscribe and click the bell for more high quality living and elegant style. Sign up to my newsletter linked below for even more recipes coming out soon.